Carnivore meal prep in 1 minute. Pat it out and ready to go into the oven. If you are keto, just add vegetables, like as a side dish. Into the oven at 350 degrees. 45 minutes later, this is how it looks. I used this tool, not even sure what it is anymore, to cut it into bite-sized pieces. And now I'll let it sit and let it reabsorb the juices for the next 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, and the rendered fat has been reabsorbed. And there you have it, 6 OMAD meals for the week. If you saw my previous video of carnivore meal prep, this is part 2. I like to bring bacon with me to work, so this is how I make my bacon. I'm reusing the cookie sheet pan that I had my burgers in. Lined up and ready to go into the oven. Oven is set for 350 degrees. 1 hour later, and my bacon is done. Then you line your paper towel or line paper plate with paper towels, and you strain the grease. And after you dump out the grease into a container, you let your kids finish up what's left.